Here on Thunisa for Playday 2017, and in my best Paul O'Grady now voice. What's your name and where'd you come from?
My name's Bethan. I come from Dogs Trust. I'm the North Wales Education Officer, and I'm here for Playday, teaching people how to be responsible dog owners.
Okay, so bringing the dog element into it, why do you think Playday is important?
I've done Playday for the last 7 years, and it's so important to give children the chance to play and experience new things, try things they maybe didn't do before, get messy, get dirty, and just have loads of great experiences. It's really, really important for children.
Okay, and this is completely unscripted, but why do we need Playday and dogs don't? Because dogs just naturally play. I've got a dog and they're playing all the time. Why is it that we have to have some sort of provision?
Actually, so your dog does know how to play. I've got a rescue dog and she didn't know how to play when I adopted her. So weirdly, I've had to teach my dog how to play and play safely just the same as children. And also, when dogs play, we're not always safe with dogs when they play. We've got to learn how to play with dogs. Lots of children, when we talk about being safe around dogs, are hurt by dogs that are playing, by happy, excited dogs. So learning to play properly with dogs is as important as learning to play with each other. So play is a massive part, like you said, in your dog's life, and it's a massive part of dogs' life as well as children. And it's just a really great way that children can interact with dogs. So play is for dogs and for children. There's my link.
You heard it here first, some new play theory going on. So if you're free between now and 4 o'clock today, come on down and join us for Playday.